If you want to link GOG and Steam, this guide will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Linking both accounts inside GOG Galaxy is a great way to bring your game libraries together in one place, so you can manage everything more easily without switching between launchers all the time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. If you already have it installed, just launch the app from your desktop or start menu. Once it opens, sign into your GOG account if you are not already logged in. This is important because the integration features only work when you are signed into your account. After you're signed in, look toward the top area of the app and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the settings menu, you'll want to find the section that says Add Games and Friends and then choose Connect Gaming Accounts. This is where GOG Galaxy lets you link other platforms like Steam, Epic Games, and more. Now find Steam in the list of available integrations. Once you see it, click Connect. As soon as you do that, a Steam login window will appear. This is completely normal, and it's the step that lets GOG Galaxy request permission to access your Steam library information. Next, sign into your Steam account by entering your Steam username and password. After that, click Sign In. Steam may then ask you to approve permissions so GOG Galaxy can sync your account data properly. Go ahead and allow those permissions so the connection can continue. Once that is done, GOG Galaxy will begin syncing your Steam account. Depending on the size of your library and your internet connection, this may take a little bit of time, so just be patient and let it finish. You should see your games start to populate as the sync completes. When the syncing is finished, go back to your library inside GOG Galaxy. This is where you'll now see your Steam games showing up alongside your GOG titles. That means the connection worked and your libraries are now linked together inside one launcher. From here, you can browse your games more easily and keep everything organized in one place. And that's it. You've successfully linked GOG and Steam using GOG Galaxy. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.